Good morning, students. Now let's discuss chapter 11, transformation of sentences second. Already we have discussed chapter 10, transformation of sentences 1, in which we discussed that what is transformation of sentences. Already we have learned that transformation means to change the form of the sentence rather than changing the meaning. And also we studied three main points, and under those three main points there were some sub points what discussed. So now we are going to head with the chapter 11, transformation of sentences second. In this we are going to study how we are going to make the sentences or convert the sentences which are simple into compound sentence, and compound sentences we are going to convert in simple sentences. That means we are going to look over or look at how to combine the sentences or how to join the sentences without changing the meaning. So let's study first point, conversion of compound sentences to simple sentences. First one, we have compound sentences. Compound means when we combine two clauses or two sentences or two words with the help of another word. That is called compound sentence. Example, see the first sentence. We must eat or we cannot live. Here or word helping the two sentences or two clauses as a one sentence, or combining two sentences into one sentence. Clear? Second, from this compound we are going to make simple. How we are going to make? When there is a simple sentence, in this the combining or joining word, which we call conjunction, is not required. But these kind of sentences are infinitive sentence or simple sentence. We must eat to live. Okay, simply there is no other word, conjunction or joining word in this sentence, because this itself is a single sentence. Understood? Next one we are going to see more clear. He was a small boy but he fought the giant. This is also compound sentence. Okay, because there is a word but. The but word combines two sentences or two clauses together as a single sentence. In the second sentence, without changing meaning, we are converting into simple. The meaning will be remained same. In spite of being a small boy, he fought the giant. Meaning is the same, but the structure of the sentence or the form of the sentence is changed, and other sentences are the same. So next one, conversion of simple sentences to compound sentences. From simple sentences to compound sentences, the method is the same. We have to add one more word, conjunction, to compound or combine the sentence or two sentences or two clauses. First one we'll see of the second main point. The teacher punished the boy for disobedience. Simple sentence. The boy was disobedient, so the teacher punished him. Okay, see the difference. Beside robbing him, they murdered him. Simple. They not only robbed him but also murdered him. See, the same method is coming. Okay, you can understand easily. Conversion of simple sentences to complex sentences. This is a little bit tricky and we can understand it also. His his silence proves his guilt. This is simple. Okay, infinitive. The fact that he is silent proves his guilt. This is complex sentence. When there is, we add that. Okay, so that. These words, when we add, that becomes complex sentence. Where, or another word we add, however, whatever. These words, when we come add in case, okay, these kind of words we add, that becomes a complex sentence. In spite of his wealth, he is not happy. However wealthy he may be, he is not happy. Okay, so conversion of complex sentences to simple sentences. In the same manner as we have studied conversion of simple sentences to complex sentences, and this is again opposite to the first one, conversion of complex sentences to simple sentences. Okay, same method can be followed. How long I shall stay is doubtful. Complex sentence. The duration of my stay is doubtful. The moment which is lost forever. Complex sentence. A lost moment is lost forever. Next one is conversion of compound sentences to complex sentences. Now, till now we were discussing from simple to complex sentence, or simple to compound sentence, compound to simple sentence, simple to complex sentence, complex to simple sentence. Now we are going to head with conversion of compound sentences to the complex sentence. Okay, that means compound sentence we have to make complex sentence. He is poor but he is honest. As I told you, compound sentence always occur two sentences joined by conjunction word, and a complex sentence always occur or with some other conjunctions like although, even though, however. Okay, sometimes adverbs, however, in case of, and sometimes so that. These are the main ways of complex sentence. So here, although he is poor, he is honest. Okay, clear? Same meaning is there, only form is changed, and you can follow rest of these. Conversion of complex sentences to compound sentence. Complex sentence to compound sentence, that is again the given against the first one. I have found the book that I had lost. That is complex sentence. I told you in complex sentence sometime that, so that word we have to add. Next one is I have lost my book but I have found it. This is compound sentence because but word is joining word and joining two sentences or two clauses. Next one, interchange of principal and subordinate clauses. The port was not surrendered until it was burnt. Okay, the fort was not surrendered until it was burnt. Next, the fort was burnt before it was understood. So now what we are doing here, the interchanging the clauses. In before this we were doing that in clause. Okay, when we are making compound, in that compound sentences, in two clauses we were inserting one word, that is conjunction, in the center of these two clauses. But here we are studying how clauses are interchanged. Okay, principal clause will interchange as a subordinate clause, and subordinate clause can be interchange or take the place of principal clause. The fort was not surrendered until it was burnt. The fort was burnt, okay, before it was surrendered. She is not such a wise lady as she was known to be. She was known to be a wiser lady than she is. So, how the clauses are being interchanged. So, you can study again and you have to make assignment or write the assignment given in the exercise.